I feel the same way.
Right.
So I hope कि पूरी फिल्म में भी लोगों को ऐसे ही लगे.
Right. आप तो वैसे जिसके साथ भी स्क्रीन पे आते हैं वो
No, that's not.
हॉटनेस ऐसा नहीं है.
No.
It's true about me.
किस of course it's true about you. चलें माहिरा को
I'm
credit
playing
देते हैं
Fahad
इस चीज़ का.
Mustafa right now. This is what he would have said.
Oh, come on, that's so you yourself.
Allah.
So
अच्छा.
hotness कहाँ से निकल रही है इस फिल्म में मतलब?
You know I mean, yeah, you
See? She's just looking for words.
No, he is right. It's obviously the first time हम दोनों एक साथ आए हैं, which was, there are so many times that we were meant to work together.
Really?
Oh my God. You don't know this?
Yeah, but I want you to say it again.
Oh, you wanted it?
Oh, you're
अच्छा,
acting now.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
wow.
क्या बात है?
अच्छा, ये तो ठीक है. So yeah, we were meant to do so many things together, and there came a point where it became like, okay, which one of us doesn't want to work with each other? No,
It was her.
no,
Was
that's
her-
not true.
Was this before Shah Rukh Khan or after Shah Rukh
No,
Khan?
that's he's
After
lying.
Shah Rukh Khan, तो I completely let go things.
Allah,
आपका छोड़ो,
अब तो it's just done, अब तो खुदाई ही नहीं चाहती तो फिर हम क्या करें?
Maya, do you get sick of the Shah Rukh Khan questions ever?
Yes.
You do, na?
Yes, I do. Look, Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh Khan, and Shah Rukh is
There's
also
no comparison.
he's just Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh, but another thing is he is also my past
I'm the present.
Present?
and he is my present.
सुना आप लोगों ने?
And I do get tired, and
Yeah.
especially the constant thing. आपको कैसा लगा है शाहरुख खान के बाद फहद मुस्तफा? I've been hearing this for very many years.
It's a very rare thing to say, but I'll put it this way. It's like people asking me about Amir Liaquat all the time. It's been 8-9 years. It's we have different careers and she has different career.
जी.
शाहरुख is a different entity altogether.
जी.
मतलब अब आपका अपना body of work इतना ज्यादा है कि उससे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Yeah.
तो अब आप गलत
हाँ.
comparisons जो है ना वो समझ नहीं आते.
तो सुने शाहरुख आपका पास्ट, ये आपका प्रेजेंट, फवाद खान आपका फ्यूचर, वो भी फिल्में आ रही
वो
हैं
भी
दो.
present है ऐसा
नहीं, 2 फिल्में तो आ रही हैं ना उनके
Of course,
साथ, तो ये
of
बड़े
course.
हॉट टीन मर्द हैं आपकी
I
जिंदगी
do
में.
have to say that my past, present, and future is hot.
Promising.
Promising.
Yeah.
Promising.
Very
So for both of us to come together, it was amazing. And
Hmm.
honestly, I said this over there also, but I really mean this, Amna. Like with Fahad, because I'm not very social, he's not social at all. तो हम लोग वैसे नहीं मिले थे, we had no interaction actually. So to work with him, to be around him, to have acted with him, danced with him, I actually really, really respect him as an actor and as a human being, which is very important for me.
So what qualities of Fahad as a human being do you admire?
Well, I think he is one of those, I don't know,
Elaborate.
जी, elaborate one of those. कुछ भी हो
he's
सकता है.
super focused on his job.
Hmm.
But he doesn't do it in a way कि oh मैं आ रहा हूँ and I'm in this zone of being I'm doing some method or no. His method is there. You don't have to see it. You don't have to experience it by way of him sitting there and rehearsing with you and all of that. He'll just come there and you'll see the method. You'll see what he's prepared. And that's very, very cool to see because I myself, I'm a spontaneous actor. I like that. I enjoyed that with him as an actor. As a human being as well. He's, I always say this, Amna, जो लोग अपने crew का ख्याल रखते हैं ना, अपनी टीम का, पता नहीं मुझे वो लोग बहुत
बिल्कुल,
बहुत
absolutely.
अच्छे लगते हैं.
Thank you, Maya.
Because मेरी जैसी टीम है वैसे he used to treat everybody in his team like family, like I do,
Because
है
for
ना?
a change, we have a team, Myra.
What do you mean?
It's like the people working with everybody. So we have exclusive people. They've been with us for quite some time now.
Yes, but not everybody. There's a very big difference, Fahad. Like, we sit and eat with everybody. That's what I love. I love that.
But good people retain good teams, right?
Absolutely,
So ये बात है.
100%. You're so
ये बात
right.
है. Yeah.
ये आ गए इनकी
It's
team.
vice versa. You see,
आ
I
गए.
think
Absolutely.
आगे the
Work
teams
They
are
आ गए. हाँ.
managers ignoring us.
Managers.
Good people retain good
Yeah.
Yeah.
teams.
So that's what I would say.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
that's what I enjoy.
So when we talk about television, you're very much behind the scenes as a producer
Yes,
at Big
behind
Bang.
very much.
आपने ड्रामा किया मायरा इस साल, and would either of you think of coming back to the small screen?
We were thinking actually.
You were. अभी अभी ये मतलब
We discuss a lot of things, you know, but somehow they don't cultivate into, you know, anything real.
Okay.
But yeah, I think अच्छा है आपको. You should explore. You
yeah
should see because the world was in a position कि आपको खुद नहीं पता. I cannot say that we can plan things and उसके accordingly सब कुछ हो जाए. But yeah, I'm open to a lot of things. So was she,
Hmm.
and she did this play, which did wonderfully well. Everybody
Absolutely.
received it in a lovely manner. तो मुझे लगता है कि कोई बाउंड्रीज तो नहीं होनी चाहिए. नाउ जिस तरह का हो गया है दुनिया भर में, मीडिया एज वी
Hmm.
कॉल इट, डिजिटल कह लें, सिनेमा कह लें, ड्रामा, सो आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई बाउंड्रीज होनी
नहीं
चाहिए.
होनी चाहिए.
Whatever you feel like doing anything, you should just go
But I
ahead.
really admire this about both of you, that you're not in the public eye as frequently as most people are. And I think that's what makes you more, gives you more enigma. You know, the mystery, mystique of
That's
the big
because we're
star.
very lazy people. At
Very.
least
This is very true.
we
I'll
want
tell
to
you
be
something.
like that. But
No,
you
you
know,
want
we
to
can't.
do like the tuck, tuck, tuck.
No, not that. At
no.
least work a lot, you know. But it seems
But
इनके
you know,
case
you're
में,
so right.
yeah,
पेट भर के हम दोनों लेजी हैं.
शदीद. हम एक स्टिल शूट करना चाह रहे हैं 1.5 साल से. वो स्टिल शूट है, मैं अकेला कर लेता हूँ. हम कभी उठते ही नहीं.
जबकि आपके पास 2 साल थे पैंडेमिक के
हम
वजह
कभी
से shoot
उठते
करने
नहीं.
के
ये
लिए.
ये अपने आप बोल रहे हैं.
मतलब मैं
आप कभी
अपने आप को हम कह रहा हूँ.
अच्छा हो. But it's so true. Like actually, I'm lazy. So when I read things about how like Myra Khan is doing all this
Yeah.
Doing
work
it's like
and,
Myra
Where?
Khan is
and
doing so much.
she has this glam, the pata nahi whatever. I'm like, wow,
And she's
this is
snoring in the back.
yeah, exactly. Because I'm lazy. I wish I wasn't, to be honest.
You two are lovely people. आपको इंजरी हुई stunts करते हुए आपने?
जी, I'm
Mm.
still
You had a
injured.
stunt man. Did you do your own stunts?
No, there is no stuntman.
Are
I
you
am the
insured?
stuntman. No, hell
No.
no. My wife knows कि कुछ है ऐसा, उसने कराई हुई है मेरी, मुझे बताती नहीं है.
Insurance आपकी हुई हुई है?
Kind of, yeah.
Right.
So मैं डरा हुआ हूँ उससे. You never know, कुछ भी हो सकता
What is this insurance?
है. Like if I die or something.
No, not
Allah na
that.
kare.
So
No,
what else
like
it could be?
Hollywood stars have their body
I'm
parts
not
insured.
J-Lo
Like
or
J-Lo
something
has
like-
her
come
body
on.
parts
Ooh.
insured.
What body part would I get?
Taylor
insured?
Swift has her legs insured. So
Nice.
I mean,
Really?
yeah, yeah. So आपकी कोई body parts insured
मेरा
है?
कोई ऐसा है नहीं मामला.
मगर इंजरी हुई आपकी.
जी वो मुझे हुई और अभी भी है. And thanks to Nabil.
क्या हुआ तो बताए ना.
Yeah, yeah. go on.
यार my heel got ruptured the first day. In fact, a day before the shoot. तो हमारे यहाँ जैसे वो fight instructors, खैर I respect them, I love them, they have their own way of working, but that is not the way to work.
Hmm.
तो उन्होंने पहले दिन ही मेरी एड़ी को जो है वो फाड़ दिया.
हुई.
And then playing a cop, you know, आपको you have to salute and there's action involved. So the entire film that I did, वो मैंने ऐसे ही किया और वो आज तक I carry that injury. तो वो मुझे एक I have to go through an operation. The doctors actually have
For your
told me to,
heel.
but I'm just trying to, you know, shy away from it.
Right.
So yeah, thank you.
Please करा लें and your stunts with the animals.
Swear, I mean, I'm not much of a, well, I like animals, but
दूर से.
I'm not like, you
So
know,
toughest animal कौन सा था to handle?
the hamster, no?
Hamster, yeah.
You're kidding me. इतना सा hamster?
See, because then they're
Because
not
we
actors.
had to, first, yeah, they're not actors, but also we had to shoot a whole song.
Yes.
With the hamsters.
With the
Yes.
just one.
I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah. And guess who was scared of the hamster?
You?
You think?
That would be me.
You was what?
Yes.
Of course. I'm okay with shareware, but hamsters, you know, they.
एक तो मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता. I have another hero who's
Scared of lizards,
घोड़ाs.
ghodas.
घोड़ा तो खैर.
Ghodas are chalo at least,
At
but
least substantially big तो हैं.
I'm scared of cute things.